If you have tight hip flexors, I can show you how to stretch them in a minute and a half. Now, after they're stretched, it's important to strengthen other muscles to keep them from getting tight again. We'll talk about that at the end. The first stretch is for a deep hip muscle called Iliopsoas. It attaches from your spine into your hip. We're going to start in a kneeling position, and from here, you're going to tip your hips and push them forward, feeling that stretch in your back hip. You want to hold it for 30 seconds. The other stretch is for your rectus femoris, which runs from your hip down to your kneecap. You're going to put your foot on a bench and then push your hips forward, feeling that stretch all the way from your hip down to your knee. Do these stretches 3 times a day, holding for 30 seconds each. If you want to learn how you can strengthen the glutes and the lower abdominals to keep the hip flexors from getting tight again, I'm doing these exercises on my live stream. Come by and check it out. It's on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 a.m. Pacific time. Hope to see you there.